with MDG Collections on hand. Today, May 7th, 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come for tires. I am on my way right now to my spot, National Discount Tires in the Bronx, where I did the video before when I was tire shopping. I don't know if you guys saw that. Been dealing with them pretty much almost 10 years, since 2009. Next year will make 10 years that I've been dealing with them. I know the owner, Tony, just saw him on Saturday after our big JMC Airstrip Raceway shenanigans. I burnt off my tires. You guys will be seeing that video. I have no tires as we speak, so I'm en route right now to get these tires put on. I ended up just going with the Nitto 555 G2 275 4020. Just kept the stock for right now. I couldn't find a rim that I want to replace the rims that I have. I like the rims that I have. I do not want to change the design, but I do want to find eventually a replica that I can use for the rear, because I need a 10 or a 10.5 width. So I'm just gonna stick with, for right now, just getting brand new tires of the factory size 275 4020. They'll be better than these Pirellis. I should get better 0 to 60 times. National Discount Tires.
Fire, shock on the beats, shock on the beats, shock on the
Alright guys, so just that quick, I'm rolling on new tires, and man, does it feel good. I mean,
red light camera in 600 meters.
It's like getting brand new shoes. You can just feel it. I'm not going anywhere right now, just on my way to the gym and leaving the tire shop right now in traffic like always in the city. But I got the Nitto 555 G2, and it feels incredible just to be on a brand new tire. The car feels like it's just more aggressive. I've only stepped on it a little bit in this traffic, just in stop and go, and it's just like glued to the road. It's incredible. So I'll be doing a 0 to 60 series, a new 0 to 60 series coming up soon. I'm not even looking to be burning the rubber for a while until these tires get real low, when it's time for me to get new ones. And I'm gonna see if I can get better times with these tires. I did not get a bigger tire right now. It's just too much of an emergency. I needed these tires. I couldn't wait around looking for a replica rim, a bigger rim, to get a bigger tire size. So I just got the stock size that I needed that goes on the car, but I got a different brand than the Pirellis that come with the car. I got the Nittos, and they are rated pretty high. So I will let you guys know how they perform. They should perform a lot better, and I should get better times, 0 to 60. And like right there, like I just barely stepped on it, and it was just like the car was ready to take off. My camera almost flew out of my hand. So she's telling me red light camera ahead. So, and it's right here. There's the camera. Check out this dash cam, guys. It's no joke. I told you guys about it before. Thinkware F770 is the brand and the model number. Thinkware is the brand, model number is F770. They do have an 800 that just came out, a good model. Definitely something to look into. And I'm gonna have to adjust my tire pressure because the tires are new. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I will see you soon. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be a wrap.